In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your GoDaddy customer number and username. If you ever need to verify your account, contact support, or complete account-related tasks, knowing where to find this information can save you time. The good news is that GoDaddy makes it fairly easy to locate both your customer number and your username once you know where to look. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're successfully signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all account options appear properly. After you're inside your account, go to your Profile section. This is the area where GoDaddy stores your main account details and personal account information. In most cases, you can access it by clicking your profile icon or account name near the top of the page. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry. GoDaddy occasionally updates its design, but the profile section is still the place you'll want to open. Once you click into your profile, this is where you'll be able to see both your customer number and your username. These details are usually displayed clearly within the account information area. Take a moment to double-check that you're looking at the correct labels so you don't confuse one with the other. Your customer number is typically a unique numerical identifier for your account, while your username is the name associated with your login. If you need to use this information somewhere else, you can simply copy it from this page. Be careful when copying and pasting so you don't accidentally include extra spaces. That can be especially important if you're entering the information into a support form or account verification field. As a quick tip, since this information is tied to your account, avoid sharing it publicly or storing it in an unsecured place. If you do save it for future reference, make sure it's kept somewhere private and safe. And that's all there is to it. Open your GoDaddy account, click on your profile, and you'll find your customer number and username there ready to view and copy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.